Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY Beauty on Purpose. My name is Leonette and today I am bringing you 4 5-minute DIYs that will for sure wow everyone that sees them. Alright, so for this DIY, I am going to take these two little boxed, like little decor from the Dollar Tree. Although they are super cute as is, I am planning on turning them into a beautiful jewelry box. So I'm going to remove the little cloud from one of them. I'll leave the heart on the other one. And then I am going to remove the back stickers using my heat gun, just because that way it'll be a lot easier. Once I'm done with the stickers, I am going to give the edges 2 coats of Rust-Oleum chalk paint in the linen white.
Going back to my old hometown, picking up the years I leave behind. Getting in my car, I drive as memories fly by. Driving by the fields I used to run through, where you were chasing me. We were riding out under the bleachers when no one could see. Oh, sweet memories of the town I loved, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Moved a few times but ended up in Nashville. Tried to settle my restless soul. Got a job that felt like forever when I met you. You made me happy, we danced through the
As you can tell, I didn't do a good job with keeping it in line there, the paint. So I'm just going to sand it down a little bit, or at least I attempted to sand it down. And it did sand down, but it also removed some of the finish. So what I ended up doing was sanding down all the edges to where you saw the kind of like the bare wood, as you can see there. And then I decided to just go ahead and distress the entire top, or at least sand it down just a bit to show a little bit more of that bare wood.
life was music and I was your wife. Time flies and the years went by, still I tried. Oh, sweet memories of the town I loved, but oh, changed when you left.
Once that was done, I am now going to place them facing each other, I guess back to back. And I am going to take a small little hinge that I got off of who knows what. I don't remember what it was, but I keep all these little things like this because you never know when you're going to need them. And I am going to screw it to the back using very small screws.
Keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Went for the dream, but I got lost. This house I leave is nothing like us. Chased happiness, ended
And as I place the last screw, now we have this cute little box that can be used really for anything. But I think it's super cute for some like common jewelry, and I just really love the way it turned out. It can even be used as a little sign still. Very farmhouse, very chic, love, 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 and really quick to make.
on a one-way street. We're leading nowhere. That's why I leave. Past the creek where we used to swim. Jump the fence before the summer begins, and getting cool in the summer heat with you, my sweet.
For this next DIY, I am going to take this frosted tree from the Target dollar spot. It was $3 during their kind of Christmas season. I'm going to remove the bottom cover because it has that a little bit more of a Christmassy tone. I am going to turn it into more of a winter kind of decor with white. I'm going to take this jar from the Dollar Tree, remove the top, and I'm just here making sure that the stone that is on the bottom of the tree actually fits. I am then going to take a piece of scrap fabric that I had left over, put it all of the way in, but making sure I leave it just a bit open on the inside, just so that when I place the tree inside, it'll be kind of towards the middle. And then I'm just going to pull the fabric from the sides. That way it shows a little bit through the edges.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that.
To finish it off, I am going to take some of this Dollar Tree black and white buffalo check ribbon. I am going to wrap it around the top of the jar and make a very simple bow, cut off the ends, and we'll be done. This one was so quick, guys. I love the way this one turned out. It's such a cute winter, just a small little tree where you can place maybe on a mantle or console table. It just looks so simple, so cute, and very fresh farmhouse look.
Is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare. And I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it.
Friends, I do want to remind you that I am doing giveaways every month this year. And for January, I am giving away this Sure Bonder cordless hot glue gun. All you have to do is watch and comment to enter. So make sure you comment down in the comments. Any comments made in January of 2021 will be entered to win the hot glue gun. All right, for this next DIY, I'm going to take this kind of like a framed decor, and I thought it was a shadow box, but it actually isn't. So I have gloves on because at first I thought that nail polish remover would remove the decal that is already on there, but it did not. But I wanted to leave it because this is how DIYing is. You try things, sometimes it doesn't work out. It's okay. After I figured out, which was quickly, that it wasn't going to work out, I then decided to remove the glass completely.
I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you.
I then took this scrap paper that I got, I believe it was at Michael's. It's part of this like huge book of craft paper. And I am going to use the glass to trace it and cut an exact size.
I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing.
Using hot glue, I'm just going to hot glue it to the top and then place it right back into the frame and hot glue the glass onto the frame, kind of like the way it was originally.
Should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is
These leaves I actually had left over from my previous project that I did, and I didn't throw them away because I just thought they were beautiful. The texture is beautiful, and I just loved them. So I'm going to use 3 of them, and I hot glue them to the bottom right corner of the frame.
face, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what.
I am now going to take one of these peonies that I am absolutely obsessed with. I get them on Amazon. They're not expensive, and I just love having them on hand because, well, because I just love them. I'm going to grab one, cut it all the way to the like to the top of the flower, I guess, or the bottom of the flower, and just hot glue it right in the center of the leaves. I am not going to take this Dollar Tree decal. It is with Ephesians 4:2 scripture, but I'm only going to use the be loving portion of it, and I'm going to just place it right where I see fit in that open area of the frame. I ended up removing the BE, because you couldn't see it. You couldn't see it because it was just too close to the color of the background. I should have maybe grabbed a different background paper, but it is what it is. So I just cut that off, and then we'll be done with this one. Another beautiful, very chic looking decor, and so quick and easy to make.
Instead of being lonely, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know you could have been the one who made me feel home.
And just another reminder that every month this year, I am also going to be sending out monthly printables directly to your inbox. So if you have not joined our email list, I ask that you consider doing so. The link is down in the description box. All you have to do is click on it and enter your email address. And at the end of the month, I will send you several of the designs that I create throughout the month. That way you'll have them in case you want to make something with them. For this next DIY, I am going to take this Target Dollar Spot heart. It is actually a chalkboard. It also came with that cute little key. I'm not using on this DIY, but I will keep it for a future DIY. And then I removed the sticker once again using my heat gun. Once again, I'm going to use one of those peonies as well as these Dollar General. Oh, what are these? I forget what they're called, but you know what I'm talking about. They're beautiful. They actually have like a frosted kind of look to them. I'm going to snip all the branches off of it, and then I am going to take a pipe. You see it right there in the corner. It's like a pipe holder. And once I have them all scrunched up and in the style that I want it, I am going to take that pipe holder and I am going to place it right over all the stems, all the florals, and secure it in place with a couple screws. And now using chalk, I am going to write the word te amo, which means I love you in Spanish. And we are done. And I think this one turned out, again, so chic, so beautiful, and such a quick DIY. Love it. Friends, I also want to remind you that I do have a playlist filled with tons of inspiration and mega videos. If you like these long videos that you can just watch and relax and enjoy, I have a playlist. I will have it at the end of the video so you can take a look at it if you'd like. All right, for this next DIY, I'm going to take a Dollar Tree pillar candle and some jute twine from the Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to wrap it around a few times and make a very simple bow. Now, guys, this is the easiest, quickest DIY I think I have ever made. Actually, I take that back. Maybe I did do it like a salt and pepper shaker like one time. That was super quick. But nonetheless, it's super quick. Definitely less than 5 minutes. Way under 5 minutes. So I'm just going to make this simple bow and tie it and cut the excess jute twine. And do you remember that jar where I placed the frosted tree in? Well, it had a top to it. It was a clear plastic top. So I'm going to use it here along with this little tea candle holder. It's a glass one from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to hot glue them together, creating a candle holder. And I'm going to place a candle right on top. Now, isn't that the easiest thing ever? I just really love the way that cap looked. It's just beautiful, clear, and it just looked too nice to just toss. And I keep everything, so I figured let's do it. I think it turned out super cute. Again, one of those things that you can place anywhere in your home and really goes with every season. Love it. If I were to choose a favorite today, I'd say I'd have to choose the heart. Because I don't know, I just love the way it turned out. But let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. All right, guys, if you are visiting for the first time and you stayed around this far, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you consider subscribing and joining our YouTube family. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Like I said, I have a playlist here for you with tons more inspiration. Take a look if you'd like. Have a blessed day, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.